This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying credentials and environment. Confirm the app ID and app secret are correct, and the redirect URI matches exactly. Once done, make sure the Facebook app is live if you need public access. Otherwise, use a test user. Also validate your SDK or HTTP client version so you avoid deprecated endpoints. These first steps eliminate common authentication and version mismatches that silently block code from sending. They set a reliable baseline before you touch request logic. Next, focus on authentication and the actual HTTP requests. You should validate the access token scope and expiry, because missing permissions or expired tokens are frequent causes of failures. Then log the full request, payload, headers, and the exact HTTP response code and body so you can see API errors. Once you have raw requests working in curl or Postman, adapt the same headers and payload in your code. This step isolates transport issues from application logic and shows why requests are rejected. To finish, update your code to handle API errors robustly. Add retry logic with exponential backoff, limit attempts, and surface clear error messages. Also include a graceful fallback so users see an alternative if posting fails. Then run an end-to-end test using a real test account or a staging app to confirm the full flow. If problems persist, check app review permissions, review logs for rate limits, and rerun the same request in Postman to compare responses. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.